Welcome to School of Wok's YouTube channel, where we really are proudly the hub of Asian cooking on YouTube. You've come to the right place if you want to learn lots of intricate detail from masterclasses from me. I'm going to use 3 different woks to do this. Our chefs, Ian and Lance, who cook and teach at the cookery school in Covent Garden.
That's the best sweet and sour I've ever tasted in my life, Lance.
Really? Along with guest chefs who are absolute experts in their cuisines.
It's a takeover. So I'm Shalina Permley.
Hello, I'm Chin. This is my mum, Chu.
Hello, I'm Fuchsia Dunlop.
They bring so much to the table, showing you their skills themselves in their own School of Wok takeovers.
Ah, the pride and joy.
This channel is for you.
That was the weirdest thing I've ever been involved in. That was wild.